Powerplant turbine engine operation, instruments, maintenance, and overhaul. Oral questions. Why are compressor washes performed and what methods are commonly used? To remove any contaminants from the compressor section and improve engine performance, fluid wash and abrasive grit wash are commonly used. How can you tell if a turbofan or turbojet engine is out of trim? There will be a high exhaust gas temperature at the target engine pressure ratio or EPR for takeoff power. Name the different types of compressor blade damage that may be found during inspection. Dents, cracks, galling, pitting, scratches, burrs, burns, or gouges are possible. What kind of markers can be used to mark the parts in hot and cold sections during repair? Layout dye, felt tip marker, or chalk. Graphite is not approved. How does relative humidity affect turbine engines? Negligible effect. What criteria determines replacement of life-limited turbine engine components? Cycles, hours, and/or calendar time. If turbine blades are removed from a turbine disc, why would they be reinstalled in the same location? In order to maintain the balance of the turbine wheel. How are gas turbine engine tachometers calibrated? In percent of RPM. On a turbine engine, what is the engine pressure ratio, or EPR, and what does it indicate? It is the ratio between the total inlet pressure and the total turbine exhaust pressure and is used to indicate the thrust developed by the engine. On a turbine engine, what does exhaust gas temperature, EGT, indicated, and how is it obtained? EGT is the average temperature of the turbine discharge gases and is obtained by thermocouples placed near the turbine exit. Can the EGT system on a turbine engine be checked without a running engine? Yes, by checking the resistance of the thermocouples and circuits.